Listen! The ground is breathing. From the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the Djembe call my name, like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. No more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. Break it down. We are one, we are proud. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. We are one, we are proud. Voices buried in endless night. Djembe calling from underground. Ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Skyscrapers bleed electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Rise up. Rise up, break the sky. We don't live, we never die. From the ashes we unite. Drums of war in the night. I feel the city in my veins. I feel the fire in my pain. No control, no reason why. We are the storm that never dies. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Ashes, I walk through steel. Every scar reminds me I feel. City screams, but the drum replies like a thunder buried in the sky. Broken systems, broken minds, still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swinging a war machine, something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal. inside. Like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin. Let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within. Break it down. Let the earth shake loud. Break it down. We are one. We are proud. Hey, 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 hey. Concrete jungle, iron sky. Still the rhythm never dies. In the chaos, in the fear, ancestors are always near. Every beat against my chest feels like I was born for this test. No more running from the sound. I let the spirit drag me down. From the dust we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. Hear the calling in my soul, taking back what I was told. Hey, fire beneath the skin. Feel the power creeping in. Hey, let the darkness blend. This is where I win. Break it down. Let the drums take flight. Break it down into blood red night. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the fire, we are made. Never fall, never fade. Hey, hey. Fire beneath the skin. This is where we begin. Hey, let the spirit win. We rise again. Break it down. Let the world collide. Break it down. We survived inside. Yeah, the fire still lives. The ground is breathing. Hey, 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 rabadam, dabadam, 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 da. Woo. Hey. Dust and steel in the morning light. Voices buried in endless night. Djembe calling from underground. Ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise. Searching for a stolen voice. Gang step broken on crack concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rain. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Skyscrapers bleed electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline roars like a battle cry. From the roots to the iron air, we rise up from everywhere. Hear the rhythm in your bones. We are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. Hear the bones speak. Hey! Hear the bones speak. Sky turn black, walking where the spirits track. Every step a broken chant from a word I don't understand. Djembe calling through the mist, like a fist I can't resist. Ancient rhythm in my chest won't let me ever rest. Something's moving underground in every silent heavy sound. I can feel it pulling me into what I'm meant to be. Tongues of the rhythm shout, turn this inner chaos out. No more doubt, no way out. Let the tribes break out, break it down. Let the world shake hard. Break it down like a bird. walking street where the past and future meet. Stand groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood's the same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night, reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies, ancient truths never die. We rise up to the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Yeah, I hear the city screaming time. Every heartbeat is a double rhyme. Bassline calling like a serpent loud. Lost souls moving through the crowd. No division in the sound we make. Every chain is about to break. Hands on fire when the skins are hit. Feel the world start to split. Something wild in the air tonight. Hold and new in a single fight. We are the concrete tribe at night, reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies, ancient truths never die. We rise up to the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Call the earth, call the fire. Feel the rhythm rise. Tribe, rise. Loud, pride, no silence in this ground. We are the ancient sound. We are the concrete tribe at night, reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies, ancient truths never die. We rise up to the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Ancient hands, molten flame, still we call, still we claim.